Hey guys. So over the past week, I've been trying to make DIY crystals inspired by the new Dark Crystal series, but it hasn't been going so good. I picked a method that was supposed to be incredibly easy. In fact, I even found it on a website for children's science projects, but I can't seem to manage to do it for myself. So I'll show you what I'm left with right now, and I'm gonna try it one more time. And if I can't get it, I'm done. I'm done. So the method I chose was using a chemical, I guess, called alum, which is potassium aluminum sulfate. And this is something that you can pick up in your grocery store. It's used for canning and pickling. Don't ask me how, but that's how some people use it. But you can also make DIY crystals, supposedly. And as you can tell, I don't have much of it left because I've been using it in my many attempts that I will now show you. I tried adjusting how much I was putting into the water, and that was not helping at all. These are the two glasses that I used in my last attempts. As you can see, they're very cloudy, and there's a lot of settling on the bottom of extra alum. So today, I guess I'm gonna try to make sure that the water is boiling. I've been using hot water, which is said to use hot water, not necessarily boiling water, but I don't know, maybe that's something new I could try. And I'm gonna put the alum in first, and maybe it'll help dissolve it better, because I feel like I had a problem with the alum actually dissolving. I really wanted to grow a crystal. Really did. Don't get your hopes up. My hopes are very low for this to work. So I got this clean glass here, and I'm gonna fill it with filtered water. Okay, I'm going to heat up my filtered water in a coffee mug. I'll put it in the microwave, and I'm gonna heat it until it's boiling. It's gonna be hot. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna put my alum in the glass. I'm gonna put just a little bit of it, but I wanna see if that'll help dissolve some of the granules better. Okay, so I'm gonna put just a little bit in there, because at least we can count on that dissolving, maybe. Okay, it is boiling. It's steaming. We're gonna put a little bit. Whoa, okay, all right. I'm getting it everywhere. Okay. I mean, it looks okay right now. Okay, all right. I'll put the same amount in and put some more hot water in there. I'll put just a little bit more in. And I'm gonna stir it for a while because it's cloudy right now. Once again, it's cloudy. See, the thing is in the videos that I watched, when somebody put like too much alum in, it would just settle to the bottom like in granule form. But with mine, if I put too much in, it makes the water cloudy. Why? Tell me this. Experts, please, tell me. See, what is this? It's cloudy. You can see it's cloudy. Why isn't it just settling to the bottom? Why? Is it just because I need to stir it? I don't know. Because when it comes to the stirring part, people always cut that out from their videos. So how long are they stirring? Are they stirring for an hour? I don't know. Well, it would seem that the little alterations that I have made have not helped. I got water all over the counter. Yeah, I will show you later if this produces anything. yeah, I'll show you a picture of what alum crystals are supposed to look like. We'll just try something else next time and hopefully we'll have some better results. I guess I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.